This time with the corona crisis, it's both a public health pandemic and a financial crisis in one. The wage subsidy, whereby employers are paid a subsidy for keeping their workers employed throughout the corona crisis, allows the economy to have a shield to protect workers, businesses, and the most vulnerable in the community. This enables, when the recovery comes, those same workers, even if they're working from home, to be re-employed straight away. Had the government allowed mass layoffs, it not only would be hardship for many workers in Australia in the short term, but when the economy eventually recovers after the public health pandemic is over, it would take a lot of time and effort to rehire new people as the economic recovery comes. One aspect of coronanomics and the economics of the coronavirus is that we've seen the comeback of the nation state. I think the days of the UN or the EU playing a very big role in a type of crisis like this are gone. There'll still be hopefully some international cooperation, but the nation state is back. There's a new attitude towards foreign investment. Nations have been really concerned about certain countries taking strategic assets, particularly in relation to medical equipment and medical technology. All deals will be scrutinised by the FIRB and ultimately the Treasurer. This is basically because Australia and many nations don't want a nation dominated by state-owned enterprises to take strategic assets that might be important in terms of geopolitics. So we'll probably see an end to foreign ownership of somewhere like the Port of Darwin, airports and key infrastructure, particularly in medical equipment and medical technology. Australia will still be open for business, but they're going to treat foreign investment by foreign powers a lot more differently in a post-corona world. The tyranny of social distance has not only changed social gatherings at sport or the arts or religious events, it's also affecting the way we work. It means many people are working at home. Many people in the workplace are changing their physical proximity. Ironically, it's probably going to revive manufacturing and artificial intelligence and automation, and also some of the traditional Australian exports, rocks and crops in mining and agriculture that aren't as people intensive. Nations will be more economically nationalist. They'll want essential industries under their own roof, and they will not want to have to ever rely on global supply chains, particularly in medical equipment and medical technology. We also have the challenge of building our economy post-corona. Things like social distancing, things like economic nationalism and self-sufficiency, particularly medical supplies, will be part of that story. So I believe the great challenges of this generation of economists is to build coronanomics, build the post-corona national economy, one that will be different in terms of globalisation, different in terms of our trading partners and who we can rely upon, and different in the way that we work and play and relate to our families and form relationships. It's going to be a very, very different Australia after this crisis is over. The message for the Australian government is this time to go big, to act early and to keep the lights on.